Friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I'm going to share a couple of freshers hiring with you. Let's jump into the video, friends. So basically, friends, as soon as you log in, just open your Google Chrome and then visit my website, which is Booble360. You can click on the star icon so you can access my website easily. I have posted more than 500 plus active jobs, and I'm posting jobs for freshers daily at 10 a.m. So don't forget to watch the videos at 10 a.m. And keeping that aside, I'm going to talk about this job in this video, but also I would like to take give a glimpse on this. So WIPRO is hiring for WIPRO Work Integrated Learning Program. It's a great opportunity for inter folks and for degree folks. They will pay you the salary for 5 years, and they will give you an integrated degree. And next, CAPGEMINI is hiring for freshers, tech geeks, AI or ML. That means artificial intelligence or machine learning jobs for freshers in Bangalore location. And next, UBS is hiring for data science freshers. They have mentioned it as India, but not sure where exactly the location is. Most probably Pune is what I think. And next, ZOHO Corp is hiring for QA engineers in Chennai location. So this is for freshers, if I'm not wrong, or else it might be for experienced as well. This would be for mostly for Tamil Nadu locations. And keeping that aside, I have opened this job. Yesterday I have shared about these jobs as well, so take a look. And this is the job that we are going to discuss now. I'm going to click on apply for job, and a URL is appeared here, so I have clicked on it. So Visa is hiring for associate data science role in Visa Consulting and Analytics category or subsidiary. So let's see what kind of person they are looking for. So basically they are looking for a person who is having 0 to 2+ years of experience building to end-to-end systems as a data scientist, ML engineer or data engineer. So it is for freshers to 2 years. And bachelor's degree in analytical fields such as computer science, data engineering, data science, econometrics or similar other degrees. So since the role is completely into data science, a CS graduate would be an ideal person. And next, experience supporting model development and programming in Python. So skills on Python is what you need. And experience with developing and automating visualization tools such as advanced use of Power BI, Tableau, MicroStrategy, open source tool or similar. So having some skills on Tableau would be great if you have experience. If not, for freshers, Python is enough. And experience with extracting and aggregating tools data from large datasets using Hadoop, Spark, Kafka or other tools. So this is for person who is having 2 years of experience. If not, you can leave it. Experience in automation, job scheduling, parameterizing data pipelines using Kubernetes or shell scripting. If you have some shell scripting knowledge, it's great. If not, also it's okay for fresher. Previous exposure to financial services, credit cards or merchants or analytics is a plus but not required. So these are the skills, friends. So when it comes to the freshers, as I said, Python is great, and Tableau, if you have some awareness, it's good. If not, also it's good. And these are the requirements, friends. And keeping that aside, what would be your job responsibilities? Creating data tools for analytics and data scientists, team members that assist them in building and optimizing our product into innovative industry leader. Identify, automate manual processes, optimize data delivery, redesign infrastructure for greater scalability and recurring client deliverables. So basically everything as a job responsibilities the company will train you, friends, so no need to worry. And looks like this job is expired, friends. I'm so sorry, but probably I'll share the same opening. Show all jobs, search for jobs at Visa. So basically, friends, so sorry this job has been expired, but I would be discussing about this job. So data science job, I'm gonna click on apply for job, and I open this one. So this job is based out of Mumbai, UBS Bank, and let's see what kind of person they are looking for. It is same, like you need to have some knowledge on Tableau or Power BI tools, exposure to data science concepts, strong expertise in Python. So Python and Tableau are good enough, and SQL would be an added advantage. And yeah, this job is based out of UBS, friends, in Mumbai location. So keep this in mind. And we have discussed about visa job, but unfortunately it has expired. And your role and responsibilities, please go with this so you'll understand the responsibilities. However, they will train you on this part. And let's say if you want to apply for this role, you can click on apply now, and you can enter your email address and password if you have applied earlier. If not, you need to create an account, or else you can sign in with your LinkedIn and you can apply for the jobs, friends. And keeping that aside, let's talk about salary part. UBS Glassdoor, the rating is 3.9, which is pretty good. So I'm gonna click on data scientist. So the data scientist salary is 12 lakh, friends. So it's a great opportunity for freshers, I would say. And that's it for this video, friends. In my upcoming video, I would be sharing more relevant information. Until then, keep watching my videos and do not forget to subscribe my channel for more future videos. Thank you and have a great day.